activity should sometime culminate in the absence of activity. So when a person has some kind of vasana or samskar where he wants to do a lot, he wants to enjoy a lot, there is nothing wrong. He should go ahead to a proper system and try to do the work. This is the meaning of Grahasthashram. And Grahasthashram should culminate in Vairagya Vritti. Vairagya Vritti, absence of Sukh Buddhi in Bhog. Vanaprasthashram should culminate in Tapasya. So Grahasthashram should be there after doing lot of Bhog. This Vritti should come that I should not have done so much of Bhog. To develop this Vritti is the purpose of Grahasthashram. I may sound a little weird and hard, but please understand that. I want to be free from the entanglements or any kind of foundations. But you had to give 30 years, only that is my problem. I am free to develop this thought that I don't want this bhog. Enough of I had the bhog, enough of enjoyment, enough of duties, enough of responsibilities. I think my innings are over. My innings should be over now. And if we don't get it over, the people and situation will ask you, please now you be quiet, don't work. Before others ask, we should withdraw. You work, you slog, you run, you do everything. And after doing everything, this thought should come, I think enough I had. The pravritti should somewhere culminate in nivritti. Involvement should culminate in evolvement. Lot of action should culminate in some actionless state. You drove so long so that your car can stop somewhere. All driving is to stop the car somewhere. Oh, my car will continue. ऐसा नहीं होगा. How to have that grahast so that by the age of 50, 60, my vasanas are diminished, I am a quieter person, my ahankar goes away, my mamta goes away. ऐसा होगा क्या हमारे साथ? If that happens, therefore I say we should have, what is it called, deadlines. One is final deadline. In between there is an intermediate. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Milestone. हाँ. By August we will have complete this. By September we will have this. And the review also in the companies. That where are you? हम लोग को भी there should be review that by this age what is your result? Which kind of thought you are having more? Which we have exhausted? There is a milestone available here. What should be our attitude in the grahast life so that I can be free from the entanglements? I tell you, old person when he is attached, he suffers a lot. Because old age where impression is there without expression. Impression without expression is frustration. I have a lot of impression. I want to talk a lot, but nobody wants to talk to me. I don't want to talk itself. Why? Don't waste my time. I am happy with my solitude, puja, part. I have no time for you. ऐसा एज हो सकता है क्या? How to have that little developed kind of thinking. Culmination of activities should be there somewhere. And we will see now what should be the way one can develop that. But nowadays they have a blind. Let me tell you, marriage is not equal to grahasthashram. marriage plus the rules of the grahastha ashram, there are certain rules, then it will make ashram. Ashram means code of conduct, a system where I follow certain things to achieve a certain goal. The purpose of marriage is not to be living together. The purpose of marriage is not to have children. The purpose of marriage is not to have house and live a comfortable life. The purpose of marriage is not to, have enjoyments together. Purpose of marriage is we will help each other to get free from everything. Will you again say? Nobody asks, nobody says this purpose. Purpose of marriage is that I live a life with you and you live a life with me, so that we are not bound to anything and we can be independent of the weaknesses. Marriage life is meant to take me out from weaknesses, so that by a certain age I am meant for a contemplative and meditative life, free from attachments and free from my ahankar, free from my kam krodh. By this age, I am free. When this goal is put with the marriage and I follow the rules of that, then it is called grahastha ashram. This rarely happens. When people marry, nobody thinks that I have any goal also. There is nothing called there is ultimate goal, and therefore married life becomes very difficult. भाई purpose तो है नहीं कुछ. I am earning by the age of 70 also. I am slogging in the age of 80 also. Attachment is there. My children are there, and my children's children. There is no limit to it, and I die a very hard death because too much attachment is there. It was not a goal. With a goal, it was not having a particular destination to cover in 20, 30 years. I had no destination to cover. Scriptures are warning us, hey, please be careful. You are not meant to live like that, so that you die with lot of attachment and calm and growth. The whole world, life of 60 to 80 years, is a purgation system, is a purifying system. You go through various ashram so that you get rid of certain impurity and impurity, so that ultimately you can merge with the purest. That was the goal and the vision of the scriptures. The scriptures act with a vision. They have a plan for us. ठीक है, अरे ठीक है, इट्स ओके, आई एम जस्ट गोइंग थ्रू एनीथिंग. अब क्या हुआ? मैरिज हो गई साहब. हाँ, व्हाट इज द गोल? टू मीट द एंड. फॉर व्हाट? वाइफ इज देयर. Why should I earn? Wife is there. Children are there. If I don't want, how will they? But so what is your goal? Goal is to earn so much money that my house can run, I can pay my loan, and children can go to school, college, and I will slog for 10 hours or 8 hours, and ultimately 20, 25, 30 years I'll keep on going on and on and on and on and on and on. For what? For feeding them and for taking care of 4 people. What is the state of your mind? Can I ask you, hello, interview? When you were 25, you had a certain state of mind, yes. Now you're 45, 20 years you have worked in the offices, etc. Yes. Can I ask you a question? Do you find, what kind of changes you find in yourself? Me, I'm more worried person. Very rarely marriages are very happy marriages. Happy marriage is an auxilium. Some are there, but difficult because goal is not there. No, goal is very low. The moment you put the goal low, fights are more. So what the wife will do? Wife will be there to take care of the house. Clean the house, get the children ready. All these are good. But what is the goal of that? Scripture don't say don't do this. They say do this. But keep something else also in your mind so that you can fulfill your inner consciousness. You can make your work purifier also. After Grahasthashram, I should have been purified. By the age of 30, 50, 60, I should be purified.